In this video, we're going to calculate sides of triangles using trigonometry. So the first thing you need to remember to do is to label your triangle. So I've got op, I've got hype, as it's the longest side, opposite because it's the opposite, and that must make that one's adjacent. Then we will write SOHCAHTOA, and we'll tick the ones we know things about. So we don't know anything about the opposite, but we know the hype is called h. And so tick the h's, and we know the adjacent is 2 meters. So that means I am going to use the cos one. So I'm going to write cos bracket angle is equal to adj over hype. Good. Now I substitute my values in. So that's cos of the angle is 53 degrees. Put that in a bracket. Adj is 2 meters over x. Now, I need to do some rearranging to get x first on the top and then on its own. So to get x on its top, I am going to multiply both sides by x. So what happens is the x goes from here to the top up here. So we're going to have x times cos of 53 divided by 2. Now I need to get the x on its own. So I'm going to divide both sides by cos 53. That one by 53. So I'm just left with x on the left-hand side is 2 over cos of 53. Put that into my calculator, make sure I use brackets, and I close my brackets afterwards. I get x is going to be equal to 3.32328. So to one decimal place, x is 3.3. Let's just check what the units are. They're meters. So 3.3 meters. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So let's label our triangle. So we've got the hype, the op, and the adjacent. So bringing up SOHCAHTOA, as we've got here, tick the h's and tick the o's. So it's a sine. So we've got sin angle is equal to op over hype. Sub in our values, we're going to have sin of 72 is equal to 3.5 over x. We're going to multiply everything by x, so the x will now come up here. We have x times sine of 72 is equal to 3.5. Divide everything by sine 72, we're going to get x is 3.5 divided by sine of 72. Put that into your calculator, then you're going to get 3.68011. So x would be equal to 3.7 centimeters. Okay, let's just move this up slightly there. So the last one we've got here, let's label our sides again. So we've got, that's the O, that's the H, that's the A. Let's move in our SOHCAHTOA. I'm going to tick O's and A's, that's the ones I know the information about. Hey presto, we've got a tan one. So first thing, tan angle, put it in brackets. Op over adj. Sub in my values. Well, the angle this time is 47. The opposite is 10. And x is the adjacent. Times everything by x to get the x off the bottom. So it's x tan 47 is equal to 10. Now divide both sides by tan 47. We're going to get x is equal to 10 over tan 47. Put that into your calculator and you will get 9.32515 ... So x is equal to 9.3 meters to one decimal place.